Good afternoon, children. So today we are going to start with chapter 4 of paper 1 electronics, that is study of components. Now, once we enter into the world of electronics, we need to know what all are, even if you open something, if you open a motherboard or you open a particular electronic device, you'll see many small things inside it. So what are the basic components you would require? Even in the lab, if you go to the electronics lab, you will find all these basic components. They use these components to build big devices. Okay, so there are two. That is what we're going to majorly see in this chapter. Okay, and what we have got is the types of components which we have. They're basically of two types: active components and passive components. Okay, so what are active and passive components? Active means they can actively do something. That means they can either do some rectification, they can do some amplification. That means if I put that component into that device, it will change energy from one form to the other. Okay, for example, battery. Okay, you have those dry cell batteries. What does that battery do? It's an active component. That means उसमें जो केमिकल है, केमिकल एनर्जी है, वो कन्वर्ट होकर इलेक्ट्रिकल एनर्जी में दे रहा है वो. इसीलिए हम टीवी के रिमोट में बैटरी सेल्स डालते हैं, है ना, बैटरी में डालते हैं. आपके पास छोटा वॉकी टॉकी होगा तो उसमें डालते हैं बैटरी सेल्स, जो भी ड्राई सेल होता है वो. तो उसमें क्या है, एनर्जी है, कुछ कुछ एनर्जी दे रहे हैं, है ना, दैट पर्टिकुलर डिवाइस को. सो सच डिवाइसेस आर नोन एज एक्टिव components, such components. Passive components are कोई energy नहीं देते वो लोग. Okay, they do not supply any sort of energy, nor do they convert energy from one form to the other. वो क्या करते हैं, सिर्फ in a device they can lower the voltage or lower the current or lower something, or and a little bit they can control the voltage or control the other factors of a device. They will not amplify, they will not rectify, they will not convert energy from one form to the other, nothing like that. Okay, what are they going to do? They are just going to sort of, they have to be used with active components, but energy से खेलते नहीं है वो सिर्फ काम थोड़ा कम ज्यादा कर सकते हैं. यहाँ वहां कुछ एनर्जी कन्वर्जन, एनर्जी को बढ़ाना, ये सब काम नहीं करते. ओके, they have to be used with active components to make a particular electronic device. Fine, so I'll just show you some of the active devices. Okay, see, these are some of the active and passive components. Okay, now this section is active components. See, can you see the LED? I hope everybody knows what an LED is. आप for example switch on करते हैं तो वो LED से light आता है. That means electrical energy is converted into light energy. Okay, that कुछ तो energy conversion हो रहा है, तो वो active device है. ठीक है, active component है. ये देखिए passive components. These, I know the words may not be familiar to you, but one by one we will see what it is. This, the first one, resistor. This word you must have heard me taking in the previous classes. Resistor. Resistor means something, you have done this in 9th, 10th physics also, something which opposes the flow of current. That is resistor, resistance, है ना? And that component which offers resistance is resistor. Fine. And how is it physically seen? It is physically seen like this. And in the symbolic form, the symbol is given like this. Okay, sort of these only some we are going to learn in this chapter. Not, I don't think we need everything, but as in this is a little lengthy chapter, we'll go slowly, but you keep a note of what all we are doing. Okay, so this is a resistor. This I'll go with the basics. This is a capacitor. A capacitor looks like this. You can have a look at all these components in the electronics lab also. If you can tell sir will show you everything. Fine. Now, the first passive type of component which we are going to see is a passive component, and that component is a resistor. Okay, resistor. Now, what is resistor? ये मैंने पहले भी बताया. If you are running, आप भाग रहे हो, ठीक है, और मैंने पीछे से आपका टी-शर्ट खींचा है और आपको बोल रहे हैं आप भाग सकते हो. You can apply more energy and you can run. but you will need a lot of force to overcome my what you can say, I'm taking you back, right? You have to overcome that and you have to run. That is known as resistance. Something which is going to stop the current to flow, that is known as resistance. Okay, now ऐसे resistance क्यों चाहिए, क्यों stop करें हम current को? क्योंकि कभी कभी current बहुत ज्यादा हो सकता है, it can damage the device, so you can use resistors and to slow down, to take the current down and to pacify it to the desired level. Okay, it does not give any sort of energy, it does not convert any sort of energy, it only offers resistance to the flow of electrons. Okay, so what are the specifications? Two specifications. Specifications means uski speciality. Like, what is the specification of a human being? It has got 2 ears, 2 eyes, 1 nose, 1 mouth. ये इसको हम describe कर रहे हैं. सेम थिंग रेजिस्टर, जब मैं बोलती हूँ उसकी मेन स्पेशलिटी क्या है, वो किस में मेजर किया जाता है? इट इज मेजर्ड इन ओम्स एंड पावर रेटिंग इन वैट्स. So these are the two things you will go and ask for. I want a 20k resistor. You'll go to the electronics shop and what will you ask for? You can ask in these two things. Power rating you can ask, or you can say I want 20k 20 किलो ओम का मुझे रेजिस्टेंस चाहिए, रेजिस्टर चाहिए, मुझे 2.5 किलो ओम का रेजिस्टर चाहिए, ऐसे सब. तो ये इसका स्पेसिफिकेशन हो गया. नाउ देयर आर मेनी टाइप्स ऑफ रेजिस्टर्स. ओके, first I'll just stop this. Many types of resistors are there. You have fixed resistors and variable resistor. ठीक है. Now for example मैंने एक डिवाइस में रेजिस्टर लगाया है और वो जब तक वो डिवाइस खराब नहीं होता तब तक उसका एक ही रेजिस्टेंस होगा, 2.5 किलो ओम, फिक्स्ड, चेंज नहीं होने वाला. Then such type of resistors are known as fixed resistors. Okay, so some sort of metal is used and ये resistance change नहीं होगा. You will not be able to change these type of resistances. Okay, so इसमें क्या बहुत अलग-अलग depending upon the structure, different types of resistances are there. And the second type of resistance is variable resistance. Variable resistance means आप change कर सकते हो. मैंने अभी 20k किया, फिर मुझे लग रहा है नहीं करंट ज्यादा बहुत रोक रहा है रेजिस्टेंस, करंट को थोड़ा सा कम कर देते, 10 किलो ओम कर देते, तो मैंने बदल दिया, 10 कर दिया. 10 से वापस मुझे बोल रहा नहीं थोड़ा और कम कर देना चाहिए, 5 किलो ओम कर दिया. So this is, I'm changing the resistance, right? So change of resistance is, if you can change it according to your will, then it is known as a variable resistance. And two types of variable resistances we have. I'll show you that. Potentiometer and rheostat. Okay, these are the two components in which you can change the resistance. I will show you how all these look. If you can see this is a fixed resistor, wire wound resistor. इसमें क्या है, एक मेटल कोर है और उसके ऊपर से रेजिस्टिव वायर ऐसे लपेटा गया है. ठीक है, सो जितने वाउंड्स है उसके हिसाब से रेजिस्टेंस डिसाइड किया रहेगा. आप ना बदल सकते हैं, ना चेंज कर सकते हैं, ना कम कर सकते हैं वायर का वाउंड, ना ज्यादा बढ़ा सकते. It is fixed. So this is a wire wound resistor. This, look here to the lower one. This is a carbon resistor. Okay, now what are these? First I'll show you the list. See, fixed resistors are wire wound, carbon composition जो मैंने अभी दिखाया, and film type. And variable are rheostats, potentiometers, and preset. I don't have the pictures of potentiometers and preset. I'll show you. It's even if you Google it, you'll get the pictures. Fine. So these are wire wound resistors, and this is the most commonly used resistor. आप electronics lab में जाके भी you can ask sir to show you this carbon resistor. Okay, so what is it? Carbon resistor अंदर क्या है? As the name suggests, it's got clay type carbon अंदर भरा गया है, and then there's a plastic case and उसके ऊपर color bands है. ठीक है. Now for example मैं यहाँ पे ऐसे band लगा रही हूँ. ठीक है. If color band is for उसका value क्या है, तो मैं अगर colors change करती हूँ तो value भी change होता है. Same thing over here. Color bands are to indicate that वो resistor क्या है उसका value, 10k है, 20k है, 30k है, 40k है, 2.5 के है, कितना है उसका रेजिस्टेंस, तो उसके हिसाब से मैं रेजिस्टर निकालूंगी और मेरे सर्किट में यूज करूंगी. दैट इज नोन एज अ कार्बन कंपोजिशन रेजिस्टर. अब वो कैसे डिसाइड करेंगे कौन सा कलर का क्या है वैल्यू, वी विल सी इन द नेक्स्ट. सी दिस इज हाउ यू कैन फाइंड आउट क्या है आपका रेजिस्टर. रेजिस्टेंस कुछ रेजिस्टर ऐसे दिखता है, ठीक है, it looks like this. Now let's not go on the 1 2 3, let's go to the lower one. ये नीचे वाला जहां पे मेरा कर्सर है वो देखिए. There are generally 3 to 4 generally 3 to 4 bands on the resistor, right? The first two bands, whatever color is there, color code में जो भी नंबर है वो ही नंबर आपको लिखना है, ठीक है, समझ में आया? Whatever number is there, that number you have to write. That means first वाला red है, तो I will go to this particular list. वहां पे red के लिए कौन सा नंबर है? What is the number for red? Digit for red? 2. So I will write 2. ठीक है. Okay. So I have okay, fine. So looking at the that color of the band, you have to go to the list. The list is there in your textbook also, you will easily get it. Okay, so whatever color is there, that digit you have to write. Okay, तो पहला color क्या है? Red. तो देखिए इसमें red का क्या है? Number, it is number 2. तो वो आप वैसे के वैसे you have to write the digit. Okay, so you will start with the ज्यादा bands कहाँ से हैं वो side से start करना है. Okay, यहाँ पे देखिए, यहाँ पे एक ही अकेला band है. Do not start from that end. Start from the end where you have more than one bands kept. Okay, so I'll start from this side. Why I'm not saying left and right? Because you can hold it anyhow, no? That's not fixed. So start from the end where you see more bands. Start from that side. Okay, so I can see more bands over here, so I'll start from this side. This is red color. What did I say? First two bands आपको digit वैसे के वैसे लिखना है. तो red का क्या color है? देखिए red का क्या number है? 2. So I will write 2. Next, which is this color? This color is violet. Okay, so I'll go to band number 2. Band number 2 के list में जाना है. नीचे जाइए violet. What is the color of violet? What is the digit? It is 7. So it is 2 and 7. Okay, I'll write 7 properly. So it is 2 and 7. Now the third band is known as the multiplier. You have to multiply it. So I will multiply. It is orange. देखिए orange का क्या है multiplying factor, वो वैसे के वैसे आपको लिखना है. It is 1000. Okay, but मुझे पता है 1000 को क्या लिखते हैं हम indices में. मैं लिखती हूँ 10 raised to 1000 मतलब 10 raised to 3. Okay, this is 10 raised to 3. So क्या हुआ अपना resistance का value? 2, 7 into 10 raised to 3 multiplier. Fourth band is tolerance. Tolerance means ये 10% ऊपर नीचे हो सकता है. 27 से 27 into 10 raised to 3 से 10% ऊपर नीचे, 20% ऊपर नीचे, उसके हिसाब से. Okay, tolerance means वो लेवल पे वो ऊपर नीचे हो सकता है. Resistance थोड़ा वेरी हो सकता है. तो ये कौन सा कलर है? 3 कलर्स में आते हैं, सिल्वर, गोल्ड एंड ब्राउन. ये कौन सा है? I think it's gold. So I'll go with gold. गोल्ड का क्या है टॉलरेंस? सो यू विल राइट इट एज इट इज ओवर देयर. वैसे के वैसे कॉपी करना है. प्लस माइनस 5%. So what is the final value of your resistor? Looking at the color code, it is 27 into 10 raised to 3. 10 raised to 3 को हम क्या बोलते हैं? We say K, किलो. And प्लस माइनस 5% लिख लेना. ये मुझे लिखने में इधर डिफिकल्ट हो रहा है इसलिए मैंने नहीं लिखा. Ohms. This is the final value of this resistance. Okay, so have you understood how you will find out which type of what is the value of that resistor you can use using the color codes. अब ऊपर चलिए. ऊपर देखिए 1 2 3 4 bands है. No problem. कितने भी बैंड्स हो, लास्ट बैंड होता है अपना मल्टीप्लाई, लास्ट बैंड होता है टॉलरेंस, उसके पहले वाला बैंड होता है मल्टीप्लाई। 2 या 3 ही होते, उससे ज्यादा बैंड्स नहीं होते जनरली। सो 3 बैंड्स है तो 1 2 3, 3 डिजिट्स आप वैसे के वैसे लिखोगे, कलर कोड के हिसाब से डिजिट्स वैसे के वैसे लिखोगे। फोर्थ बैंड होगा मल्टीप्लायर, फिफ्थ बैंड होगा टॉलरेंस। Have you all understood? Can we take some color codes for homework? Please take some color codes for homework and solve it and check if you're getting it right. Okay, some color codes for homework. So I am just drawing a resistor like this, and 1 2 3 and 1. I am just mentioning the color. I don't have color pens, so I'm just mentioning the color. Okay, so it is red, violet, yellow, silver. I hope you know. पहला दो आप वैसे के वैसे डिजिट लिखोगे, third one will be the multiplier, fourth one will be the tolerance. Okay, take one more. The table is given in your book also. It is on page number 81. Page number 81 फड़के publication, it is given. The table is given. Color code का टेबल दिया हुआ है. If not, अभी जो वीडियो में पॉज करके इसका स्क्रीनशॉट ले लेना, ठीक है. Next I will write black, brown, red, golden, and next I'll give you some other colors: gray, white, some color which I have not used at all. I'll take orange and brown. Same sequence. पहले दो का डिजिट वैसे के वैसे लिखेंगे टेबल में देख के. Third one will be the multiplier and fourth one will be the tolerance. Okay, I hope you have understood resistances and how to calculate this. Okay, moving on to the next type of resistors, that is non-linear resistors. Okay, these are non-linear resistors. Non-linear resistors means these resistors do not follow Ohm's law. बाकी जितने भी अभी resistors देखे, they all follow Ohm's law. What is Ohm's law? V is equal to IR. That is, R is equal to V by I, right? Almost all resistors follow this particular relation. Fine. That voltage and current are directly proportional to each other. And resistance and current are inversely proportional. जितना बड़ा आप resistance करोगे उतना current flow हो नहीं पाएगा, difficult होगा current को flow होना, तो current दब जाएगा. तो जितना resistance ज्यादा उतना कम current flow होगा, है ना. जितने electrons flow हो रहे हैं और मैं resistance बन के खड़ी हूँ, तो ज्यादा इलेक्ट्रॉन्स पास हो पाएंगे क्या? नहीं होते. कम करंट फ्लो होगा, कम इलेक्ट्रॉन्स फ्लो होंगे तो करंट कम होगा. बट दीज टाइप ऑफ resistors do not follow Ohm's law. Such resistors are known as non-linear resistors. Okay, and what are the types? First one is thermistor. ठीक है, क्या होता है थर्मिस्टर पे? थर्मिस्टर टेम्परेचर बेस्ड रेजिस्टेंस है. It will sense thermistor. Therm means temperature. Okay, thermometer. Therm means temperature. तो temperature को sense करके it will decide its output resistance. That is known as thermistor. It depends on temperature. Okay, and it has two types of So there are two types of thermistors: negative temperature coefficient (NTC) and positive temperature coefficient (PTC). NTC means your resistance will some button is getting pressed, that is why it is creating that problem. NTC, PTC, these are two types of thermistors. Thermistors means what? It will measure resistance according to the temperature. अगर टेम्परेचर बढ़ा तो रेजिस्टेंस भी बढ़ेगा. ऐसा टाइप का जो थर्मिस्टर है उसको बोलते हैं पॉजिटिव टेम्परेचर कोएफिशिएंट. उसको पॉजिटिव है, दोनों इंक्रीज हो रहा है, दैट मींस इट हैज गॉट अ पॉजिटिव टेम्परेचर कोएफिशिएंट. ओके, NTC इज नेगेटिव टेम्परेचर कोएफिशिएंट. उल्टा जाएंगे, जैसे टेम्परेचर बढ़ेगा रेजिस्टेंस कम होते जाएगा. Okay, this may be used in many coastal areas mein वगैरह it is thermistors are used a lot, and for sometimes measurement of body temperature thermistors can be used. टेम्परेचर जितना बढ़ेगा उतना उसके हिसाब से वो रेजिस्टेंस दिखाएगा. Thermistors can be used in various in areas where heat or temperature is the key element. वहां पे thermistor यूज होता है. ठीक है. Second type of non-linear resistor is varistor. Okay. Now varistor depends on voltage. As the voltage increases, the resistance changes. Okay, it depends on the applied voltage. Fine. Now this is sudden voltage drop या sudden voltage surge हुआ तो अपने वो डिवाइस अगर सेव करना है तो उस जगह पे बैरिस्टर्स यूज किया जाता है. अगर आपको पता है कि अभी वोल्टेज बहुत ज्यादा हाई होने वाला है, डिवाइस डैमेज हो सकता है, then you use a varistor because it protects its resistance changes with the voltage. Okay. The third non-linear resistor is LDR, light dependent resistance. Okay, light dependent कैसे? जितना light उस पे गिर रहा है, the resistance of that particular component will depend on the amount of light falling on it. Okay, now in dark where there is no light, the resistance is high. Okay, and when light falls on it, that time the resistance is low. Fine. Now these are used in light detectors होते हैं या फिर smoke detectors होता है. ऐसे detectors में ये LDR use होता है. Okay, light failure alarms होते हैं. All these things the LDR will be used. So at night when there is no light at all at night time, that time such LDRs have high resistance. तो ऐसे कोई सिक्योरिटी सिस्टम्स होंगे जहां पे पूरा अंधेरा है और तुरंत अगर किसी ने लाइट ऑन किया, कोई अनजाने इंसान ने, आपके पास कोई टैग वैग हो सकता है, आप घर मतलब पहचान वाले लोग हैं तो you can control, you may have some tag or something, you can control the entry. But if a unknown person enters your house, it's complete darkness and that person doesn't know, he switches on the light, तो लाइट आता है तो रेजिस्टेंस कम हो जाता है, अलार्म बज सकता है. So in such security areas also LDR can be used. At night the resistance is high. Once light falls on such resistance is low. तो आप वैसे भी use कर सकते हैं. Next type of resistance is variable resistance. Okay, so in variable resistance the first type is a rheostat. I think I showed the picture. It is a two-terminal device, rheostat, and it is used in series. It is used in series with the load. Okay, see this one. This is a rheostat. Okay, आप ये ऊपर बटन देख रहे हैं? दिख रहा है आपको? ये इधर या इधर स्लाइड हो सकता है. दिस इज अ वायर वाउंड रेजिस्टेंस. ठीक है, और ये जैसे जैसे आप इंक्रीज करते हो या डिक्रीज करते हो, रेजिस्टेंस कैन बी एडजस्टेड यूजिंग दिस पर्टिकुलर स्लाइडर. ओके, सो इट्स अ टू टर्मिनल डिवाइस एंड लुक एट द बोर्ड, इट इज इन सीरीज जनरली और उसका सिंबल है कुछ ऐसे. यू कैन चेंज द रेजिस्टेंस अकॉर्डिंग टू दिस स्लाइडर. जो ऊपर है ना, ये स्लाइडर के हिसाब से चेंज कर सकते हैं. Same thing, another one is potentiometer. Potentiometer has got 3 terminals. Okay, वो भी ऐसा ही है, but it has got 3 terminals. ये rheostat में this is kept open. ठीक है, यहाँ पे पूरा सर्किट बन जाएगा आपका. This is kept open. But in potentiometer it is a 3 terminal device. This has to be connected somewhere. Okay, somewhere this thing is connected in the circuit. So it is 1, 2, 3. It is not potentiometer को pot बोलते हैं, pot. Okay, these are all components. I'll show you the picture of a pot also. Potentiometer. So I'll just show you how a potentiometer looks like. This is a potentiometer. If you can see my cursor where it is, this is a potentiometer. this one. So it has got a small knob, like उसको बोलते हैं वाइपर. तो आपको रेजिस्टेंस बढ़ाना है तो आप ऐसे, जैसे नॉब्स हम बढ़ाते हैं ना, जैसे कार में आप रेडियो या वॉल्यूम बढ़ाते हो कम करते हो, उसके हिसाब से वैसे एक नॉब है पोटेंशियोमीटर में भी. इट्स नोन एज वाइपर. ओके, सो यूजिंग दैट यू कैन चेंज द रेजिस्टेंस अकॉर्डिंगली. बढ़ाना है, कम करना है, यू कैन, दैट इज व्हाई इट इज नोन एज वेरिएबल, है ना. तो वेरिएबल रेजिस्टेंस इसके ऊपर से आप बढ़ा सकते हो. फाइन, इट इज अ 3 टर्मिनल डिवाइस, उसका सिंबल ऐसा है. फाइन. एंड द थर्ड टाइप ऑफ वेरिएबल रेजिस्टेंस इज अ प्रीसेट. Preset is same like potentiometer only thing is its size थोड़ा छोटा है और cheaper है, potentiometer से cheaper है, and it can offer wide range of resistance. 1 mega ohm तक आप resistance change कर सकते हो. Mega का मतलब पता है ना, 10⁶. 1 mega ohm तक you can, in preset you can change the resistances. So this was all about resistance. Tomorrow we'll do capacitance. Okay, so every day we'll take one topic each, but this is a very vast chapter and it's a completely theory based chapter. Hardly few numericals are there on very simple formulae. So it's a completely theory chapter, so you have to go on as we take the videos. If you also start reading, that would be better. Fine. So, and it's very much in detail. It's given in the textbook. You need not learn everything. You need to understand the concept. Any doubts, please let me know. Okay, so we'll stop here. Thank you.